Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OBS recording settings for YouTube 1080p 60 uploads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Go to the settings button located in the lower right corner. In the settings menu, click on output from the left sidebar. Under the output section, set the output mode to advanced. Once in advanced mode, navigate to the recording tab. Select your preferred recording path by clicking on Browse next to the recording path field. Ensure the recording format is set to MP4 for easy uploading to YouTube. Next, adjust the audio track to match your preferred audio settings. Then, look for the video bitrate option. Set your video bitrate to 10,000 to 12,000 kbps for 1080p at 60 frames per second. Scroll down to the encoder section and choose hardware, NVENC, or software, X264, depending on your system capabilities. Now, move to the video tab in the left sidebar. Under the base, canvas resolution, set it to your screen's resolution. Set the output, scaled, resolution to 1920 by 1080. Change the common FPS values to 60. Now, go to the audio section in the left sidebar. Set the sample rate to 48 kHz for optimal audio quality. Ensure channels is set to stereo. Once you've finished adjusting all settings, click the OK button to save. You are now ready to start recording in OBS for YouTube uploads at 1080p 60. Simply press the Start Recording button to begin capturing your content. After you finish your recording, remember to stop the recording and locate your file in the path you specified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.